Decisions, decisions, decisions. How do you know what's right or wrong? Especially if you are a new leader. Today, I'm sharing 5 tips so you can become more effective at making decisions. Those 5 are: clarify your objectives, gather information, involve your team, evaluate your options, and make the decision and take action. Hi there, my name is Glenn Berkelev. I have over 20 years of experience as a leader, leading small and large-scale teams across Europe and Asia. As a leader, you will likely face complex decisions to take every single day. And it is your responsibility to make the best decision for you, your team, and the organization you work for. But how do you do that? First, clarify the objective. It is important that you know your short and long-term goals, so you understand how any decision may impact those. You need to weigh the benefits and risks of various different options. Will your decision support your goals, or is it something that has zero impact on where you are taking the team and where the goals say that you need to go? Is it relevant, and does it justify you spending time on it? Second, gather information. To make an informed decision, you need to gather as much information as you can. This may involve conducting research, involving experts, or to solicit input from your team or your stakeholders who may have more experience than you. Be careful though. You can end up in the trap of trying to continue to find more and more information, which results in indecisiveness. It essentially means that you will keep pursuing more information to justify your decision, but there will always be more information out there. The trick here is to find enough information that you feel comfortable making a decision based on the facts you have at hand. I personally enjoy going by the 80-20 rule. So I'm 80% sure that I have enough information to make the right decision. There will always be a certain amount of uncertainty. If you're 80% certain and there's very little risk, go ahead and take your decision. If the decision, on the other hand, is gonna have massive implications on the entire organization and your team, it might be worthwhile digging a little bit deeper. Third, involve your team. They're right there. Effective decision making doesn't just involve you as the leader. It involves multiple people. You may very well have experts in your team. And by involving the entire team, everybody also feels heard and they are feeling that they're an active part of the decision-making process. It also means that your team members will be invested in the outcome of the decision. Also remember here that there might be other colleagues outside your team who may be able to contribute to your decision-making. Ask colleagues with more experience than you, lay out what is the decision that you need to take, and if they have been in a similar situation. They may very well be able to help you and guide you in the right direction. Before jumping into the final 2 tips of today, I would like to ask you to write in the comments field below, what is a decision that you had to take that was difficult? I will read them and try to give you some advice. The more detailed you can be, the more I can help you. Also, if you like the content, please hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more content from this channel. Thank you for supporting me. Now, let's get back to the final 2 tips. Fourth, evaluate your options. You already have the data or the details that you have researched. You already have feedback from your team. You already know how your decision may impact your goals or if it's relevant to you. Now comes the evaluation piece. Consider the pros and cons and look for options that best suit and align with your objectives. And make sure you align it with your criteria, that it has to suit and benefit you, your team, and the organization. You can do the pros and cons list on a wallboard, in notes taking, or by post-its. It's up to you. Finally, number 5, you need to make the decision and you need to take action. After considering all of the information, take decision and act. Communicate your decision clearly to your team, also why you took the decision, and ensure everybody's on board with it. The beauty of you sharing how you got to your decision with the data in mind helps your team understand the decision and support it. Effective decision making is essential for successful leadership. By following these simple steps, you can make decisions that balance short-term and long-term objectives. You can weigh risks and benefits. You can involve your team in the decision-making process so you can make better, more informed decisions going forward. Now it's your turn. You have to go out there and make informed decisions on your own. I know you can do it and make the decisions that drive success for you, your team, and the organization you work in. My name is Glenn Berkelev. This is Glihago. Thank you for wanting to become a better version of yourself, and thank you for listening. I hope to see you in the next video. Before making any decision, it isn't... it's going well. Come on, one more time. Now I completely lost my trail of thought. All right, notes, and look for options that best suit. That was horrible. I cut the line wrong.